So here we go. First up, faith reversed. So I feel like, yeah, it's time for you to go within. It's time for you to check in with your spirit guides and guardian angels and listen to the downloads and not doubt the situation. I feel like some of you may be doubting the changes that have happened in the recent past. We are definitely closing down karmic timelines and cycles. Timelines that go all the way back to 35 years, 10 years, and as recently as 6 to 7 months ago, whatever was going on in March and April. I feel like that may be impacting your immediate future right now. It may be causing you some doubt because maybe there are some releases that had to occur that may not have been so easy to release and let go. But just know it happened for your highest good. And this is a time for you to trust the process, trust the divine, and have faith in your spirit guide team because they are with you right now, guiding you down the illumined path as destiny dictates. Up next, extremes. Reversed. For some reason, the phrase "give up the fight" popped in. I don't know what that means. Perhaps that's resonating with one or some of you. But give up the fight. I feel like this is an unhealthy situation, that there is a need to engage in passionate, argumentative conversations to prove points, to prove who is most correct, most right. Doesn't matter anymore. Let this go. Let this energy go, because I feel like this is associated with a karmic situation that's not serving your highest good and is not serving the highest good of the other party or party members involved. This is a time for you to walk away from this volatile, toxic, argumentative energy. Okay? And lastly, what's coming in? Blossoming. Yeah. As you exit the karmic situation and as you leave the past in the past, you are blossoming into a beautiful, renewed version of yourself. You are being guided, divinely guided, right here, that's depicted by this beautiful full moon energy. Trust the process. Have faith in the process because your spirit team is with you. They are around you and they want to see nothing but good things happen to you and for you. And they are guiding you down the path that will lead you to bountiful abundance. Okay? Yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay, Scorpios, let's get into your reading. I'm going to flip the cards. Just go ahead and give me a moment, please, to check in with your energy. Okay. Interesting. Let's check the bottom of the deck. Bottom of the deck is 10 of Swords. Completions. Yeah. Could be difficult completions, difficult ending. This could represent a myriad of situations completing. Could be friendships. Could be a work situation. It could be a romantic situation. It could be a family thing. But whatever is completing, it was challenging and it was painful. It wasn't easy, but it's over. Okay. It's ending. It's winding down. It's done. Okay. So from here on out, your situation will improve. It is part of the karmic cycle that all of us are completing. And we've been shutting down karma from August. We're gonna be working through this from August till about December. Okay, so that's what's happening. It just really depends on where you are on the timeline and where you are in your spiritual expansion and soul advancement. All right. Okay, so central to your reading, 7 of Cups reversed. This could be choices, illusion. This could also be the card of indulgence. What I'm getting here is you've got choices to make. You know, options are being presented to you, and the hard part or the lesson is, are you going to choose the cup that's correct for you? Or are you going to go with what's most attractive and alluring and potentially risk repeating karmic situations again? Yeah. So be careful. Be careful, because I feel like right now, Scorpios, there's a lot of options in front of you. And I feel like there's a lot of people around you who are vying for your attention and your affection. And, On the surface, they may seem alluring and attractive and fun. And, it's not just the person, it could also be an opportunity. So the message here is pause and reflect and make sure that you're choosing the correct cup for you, and that you're not going for the shiny bauble syndrome or, the next best thing, that you're not just jumping from one thing to another. It's like, all right, take your time to really explore what each cup contains, and that ensure that the contents are indeed what's right for you. So crossing you is the Knight of Pentacles. Maybe some of you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. I feel like this Knight card, one, it's very slow moving, and Knights always bring in messages. I feel like this could be a message of prosperity, or a job offer, or some sort of information about a financial opportunity for you, just because it's Pentacle energy. Perhaps some of you are involved with an earth sign, and this could be a declaration of love coming through, a proposition. For those of you, I don't know, I kind of get the sense that it could be more financial, because foundational is the Empress reversed. This is also earth energy, but she is like the ultimate woman. She is creative energy. She is the nurturer. She is, she's very loving, very giving, very affectionate, but she creates opportunity. She creates abundance. And I feel like you're working on this, that you're trying to create abundance for yourself. And I feel like you are like working on your self-worth. So I feel like whatever these cups, these opportunities mean for you, I feel central to this reading is mostly about your financial security, to create financial freedom and financial independence for you all, Scorpios. That's kind of what I'm picking up here. Okay, so let's move on. So in the recent past, you had a decision to make, a difficult decision. I'm getting the sense you had to cut someone out. It's just a phrase that popped into my mind, almost like cut. Wasn't easy. Usually when Two of Swords comes in, it's a big decision. It is a big decision that has to make, and it feels like you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. But whatever you did, and I feel like you had to cut someone off, doesn't have to be romantic. It just means you cut someone off that you did so for your highest good, and it's allowing you to reevaluate and reestablish your self-worth. Because I feel like that's sort of what the message of this Knight of Pentacles is. This is about you also establishing a daily routine for yourself. Knight of Pentacles is Mr. Routine, and this individual, the energy of this Knight card is saying, hey, you need to organize yourself, you need to organize your life, and you need to create balance and order and harmony into your day-to-day routine. So literally, it's writing out a schedule. It's getting out your daily planner and saying, on Mondays at 8 o'clock, I will do this. And giving each hour a task. Each hour of the day will have something for you to do. It's going to be dedicated to something. So that way it keeps you on task. It keeps you on track. And I feel like with this cup energy, that this Knight is saying, okay, look, you've got a lot of opportunities here. What can you fit into your lifestyle? What's going to work with you, and what's going to bear fruit, and what's going to bear abundance? Because right now, it's not. Right now, your current lifestyle is not bearing fruit. It's not yielding abundance. It feels a bit disordered and slightly chaotic. And you're trying to manifest abundance, financial freedom, financial wealth. But in order for you to do that, you do have to create order in your daily life, in the day-to-day, in the mundane details, okay? And it's a hard decision. Like I said, it's a hard decision. So you have the Two of Swords right here. In your near future, Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like this is you turning within to do the self-work that you need to do in order to create this, in order to create the daily order. So Eight of Pentacles, it's hard work. It's the daily grind. But since it's reversed, this is work on yourself. maybe taking some classes, maybe taking a certification course, maybe taking financial classes to understand, your investment strategy a bit better. Maybe there's other things that you want to do that's going to help give you a leg up in your future. But you are forward looking right now, Scorpio. You really are. I'm getting the sense that you are really trying to create wealth and abundance and independence for you. So that way you can set yourself up for success. Because in your mind's eye is a Chariot. This could be the card of Cancer. So maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancer. But I get the sense that the message is go. Go now. Move forward with your plan. Move boldly forward with your plan. Because you're ready. I think you're ready for this change and this opportunity. And yeah, you had to let something go and you had a big decision to make, but it was the right decision. It was the right decision to move you forward, okay? Because you are walking away from something that no longer serves you. This is the Eight of Cups reversed. You're walking away. You're not even thinking about it. You've already done that. You're not even crying about it because these tears are drying up. It's reversed. You are making the decision to move forward in search of your ninth cup. Yeah, this is an interesting card. I'll show it up right because the artwork is just stunning. It's one of my favorite cards. I really like it. I really like this deck. But yeah, no more tears, no more sorrow, no more staying stuck in a stagnant situation that wasn't healthy for you. But you're moving away. So you have an 8 here and you have an 8 in your future. So that's transformation. You're moving forward to what's ultimately for your highest good. In your environment, 6 of Wands. Yeah. The energy of this card is success, rewards, recognition. Yeah, people see you, Scorpio. You're being recognized for the decisions you're making, the choices in life that are presenting themselves to you. Your future is bright. You've got a lot to look forward to, and you're going to be successful. Just stay in alignment with yourself and don't get tricked or swayed by the shiny bauble syndrome. Really think about these opportunities that are being presented to you and choose what really is going to be in the highest good for you. Okay? Because the environment is supporting it. Yeah. Success. 6 of Wands. Hopes and fears. 3 of Wands. Celebration. Friends, family. This could be, there's no wonder, it's also your birthday month. So you could be celebrating with friends and family, and this could be you being celebrated, with your birthday. But I also feel like your success in life and where you are in life is being recognized and celebrated and praised as well. Okay? So lots of wand energy, lots of celebratory energy, around you, which is wonderful. Outcome is the 6 of Pentacles. Is that the 6? Yeah. 6 of Pentacles reverse. It's a cautionary card. So be sure that you're not giving more than you're receiving. Okay? Yeah, because sometimes, when we're trying to please others or to placate others, we tend to give more than we receive. Or maybe the reverse is true. Maybe you receive more than you were able to give back. And if that's the case, you're running the risk of bad karma. So make sure if that's you, if you took more than you were able to give back, that you're able to clear your karma, and do something nice. Maybe donate to charity, go volunteer in your community, do something nice just to clear this karma. But for those of you who have given more than you received, this is a card saying, hey, slow down, make sure that you're keeping your energy in check and that you're not, overextending yourself. All right. Okay. Yeah. First up, focus. Absolutely. I definitely see that with the 7 of Cups reversed and the Knight of Pentacles. This is definitely the focus card because here you have lots to choose from. And this guy is saying, all right, organize your day-to-day in order to accommodate whatever this cup or cups that you're trying to call in and what that means for you. But you have to focus in order to do that. And this card is saying, look, you can manifest anything you want. This arrow can represent love. It can represent friendship. It can represent a baby. It can represent a new house. It can represent anything that you want in this life. Whatever it is you're trying to manifest, you get to tell the universe what you want and where you're going to point that arrow. Okay? You pull back on you pull the tension back, the tension cord back. And then once you let go, and that arrow is launched and you are trusting. By then, you are no longer in control of this arrow anymore. You know what it represents. You know the general direction of where you want it to land. It is up to the divine to take control of that arrow in flight and have it land where it is destined to land. And that's what's going to manifest in your 3D. So make sure you're sharply focused on what you want, that you're clear on what you want. Because you are being presented with options. And each of these cups can represent an arrow. And not all of these cups are filled with love and abundance. Some of them are filled with serpents, poison, toxic lessons, karmic lessons. So make sure you're clear on what cup you're choosing and the contents of it, because it may not be in your highest good. All right? But yeah, it's time to get focused on your future, what it is that you're trying to manifest. It's also time for you to lock into your intuition. Usually for me, this is the card of Pisces. This is the emotions card. But in this regard, I see this as you, Scorpio. You show it upright. You have the big, beautiful moon with beautiful water in front of it. This is intuition. This is intuition. The water sign, water energy, I feel like this can be you, Scorpios, in this regard. For me, it's always the Pisces card, the card of intuition. Came in reversed, out of alignment. And it's interesting that you got the focus card, because it's time to focus and to align yourself with your intuition so you can manifest the life that you want and receive the psychic downloads on how you want to, course correct your life, where you want to focus these arrows of manifestation. Okay? All right. Unknown. Yeah. So I feel like right now you're entering a dark period, and we have to enter the dark we have to go through the dark before we can emerge in the light. So I feel like this is, you're letting go of karma, cycle's complete, and you're starting something new. It's just your future hasn't been revealed yet, but you're going through this dark period. And this is where you have to trust your intuition to guide you and to light the way intuitively in order to emerge in the light, in order to emerge on the other side. All right. And partnership. Yeah. I feel like this is a great card for you all. I feel like this is you. You know what you want. You know that you're walking away from something, but you also need to establish partnerships in order to achieve some of the goals that you're trying to achieve. This could be a business relationship. This could be a business deal. Yeah. I feel like, these partnerships that you establish are going to help you gain the clarity that you need to pick the correct cup for you. Yeah. And they're going to keep you on the solid, on the straighten up, because you are walking away from stuff that no longer serves you, and you are going in search of that ninth cup. And, your partnerships, your friendships, which you're seeing with the Three of Wands. Your tribe's not going to lead you astray. Your tribe's going to keep you on point. They're going to keep you in alignment. They're going to keep you moving forward in the right direction in case you start to veer off course. But they got you. They got you.